Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin as an administrator because Uninstall requires elevated rights. Sign in now. Once signed in, back up any locally stored Office files and note the account or key linked to your license so you can reinstall later. Close all Office applications and temporarily pause antivirus if it interferes with installers. With these prerequisites done, open Settings and navigate to Apps. This is where Windows lists installed programs. Starting here saves time and avoids registry edits. You now remove Office using the built-in tools. Go to Settings, then Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list, select it, and click Uninstall. Follow prompts to remove core components. If you prefer or if Settings doesn't show it, open Control Panel, choose Programs and Features, right-click Microsoft Office and uninstall there. Make sure to let the process finish. Interrupting can leave leftover files. Once done, restart the PC so pending file operations complete before cleanup. After uninstall, restart your computer to finalize removal and then check program files and app data for leftover Microsoft Office folders. Delete them to reclaim space. If the uninstaller failed or Office still appears, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to forcibly remove traces. This fixes registry keys and service entries. Make sure to re-enable antivirus and sign back into your Microsoft account if you plan to reinstall or use Office online. If something goes wrong, rerun the removal tool and reboot once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.